we are effectively targeting the poorest throughout St. Lucia and providing for these communities some really critical social infrastructure projects. Today is a reflection of that. And with the Canaries Cottage Sector Program and the Millet Daycare Center renovation. And, you know, the St. Lucia Social Development Fund is really committed in sustaining high levels of community participation with these programs, along with the development and implementation of comprehensive community development plans.
I am very pleased to be part of this program to usher in the commencement of these two projects in two communities that are very much deserving. As the Deputy Director indicated, not only will those projects provide opportunities for education and economic development, but it will also improve the aesthetics of the communities, because these are two existing buildings and I'm sure will be much improved and will, you know, uplift the landscape of those communities by the time they are completed.
I want to thank the Ministry of Social Transformation. This is what you call true transformation. We ask ourselves, what is the meaning of social transformation? Social transformation, in my opinion, means that you move a people socially upwards and economically at the same time. And both of these projects will be doing this, especially the one in Canaries. So I want to say to the people of Canaries and the people of Millet, I will continue to do the job they send me to do. I will continue bugging the different ministries. And until the job is done, I will not stay and rest.